watermelon. It's doing pretty well. Nothing yet. But see these are good signs. Oh, by the way, check out the difference. This is an outdoor avocado plant. This is how it looks, right? See how dark green it is? Kind of almost like an olive green, right? Well, this is an indoor one. Much different. Still thriving, but just different colors. Look what I have, and it's ripening. And look, little babies coming in. So exciting. Look. As long as the animals don't get it, I think we're good to go. Okay, so this is my cucumber plant, right? So I have to like come and kind of check on it sometimes because you see how it's doing that. It could actually choke itself out, so you kind of have to pull it out and straighten it up a little bit because they climb. And they can also do damage to other plants. Or not damage, but kill them, you know what I mean. But look how well this is doing.